Hey guys, my name is Adrian Valdez, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about some tips to save yourself a budget with renovations when you buy a new home or you're looking to get ready to sell your home. Now remember to hit that like and subscribe button, tap that notification bell. I put out new videos every week telling you everything you need to know about buying, selling, and investing in real estate. Alright, my contact info is popping here up on the screen. As much as I love to make these videos, I love more to help you with your real estate needs. So reach out to me. I'll be answering all those phone calls, text messages, and emails personally. If you have any questions about anything related to real estate here in West Michigan, I'd love to talk to you. Creating a budget is the very first thing that you should be doing when planning a renovation project of any kind. The 5 tips I'm going to give today will keep your renovation on budget with cost-saving advice to keep more money in your pocket. All right, number 1, account for permits. You need permits before you start major renovations. Not having the right permits or not correctly displaying permits can cause serious delays and fines from city inspectors. Make sure to apply for permits as soon as the sale is final. I can guide you through this process. Shoot me a call, shoot me an email, I gotcha. Stick to timelines. Stay on track of your finances with a timeline for projects with associated deadlines and the budget listed for each project. This will help you stay on track and stay on budget. Number 3, sell what you can't use. Even if you don't want the old kitchen, somebody else might. Save on dumping fees, take pictures of the original 80s oak cabinets and post them on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and that goes for anything that could go good in a home. Number 4, put in sweat equity. That's it. If you have the skills and the time to do the job yourself, great. Tutorials can be found online. From putting a patch on the wall, refinishing hardwood floors, YouTube is a great resource and you can find tutorials on anything. Have reserves. I advise that you add 20% of the final estimate because remodeling a home can give rise to unexpected surprises like termite damage or asbestos that you find when you start ripping stuff apart, and you just want to make sure you can accommodate those changes. Keep these 5 tips in your mind to make sure that your home renovation project doesn't break your budget. Of course, I can help make sure the final result is everything you dreamed. Give a shout to me. I'll see how I can assist you. Again, my contact number is popping up here on the screen. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.